Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now execute code 1 to generate the error and observe the outcome. Let's walk you through the interpretation and the correction for this bug. Do take a moment to pause the video to understand the explanation. It's time to mend the code and check the produced result. And just like that, the code is running smoothly and our output is on point. The bug has been squashed. We've reached the end of today's episode. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coding solution videos. Stay passionate, never stop learning, and enjoy your coding journey.